The worst foods you eat every day that kill fat loss. You're hitting the gym, you're trying to lose fat, but for some reason, the scale won't move. Let me fix that. It's not your workouts, it's what's hiding on your plate. See, these are the healthy foods that quietly kill your fat loss every single day. First up, breakfast cereal. Yeah, even the ones with whole grain on the box. They spike your blood sugar faster than soda and leave you hungrier an hour later. That quick crash makes you crave more sugar and carbs. And before you know it, you're eating twice as much. Swap it for oatmeal with chia seeds or eggs with avocado toast. Slow digesting carbs and protein keep you full longer and stop those energy crashes. Next, flavored yogurt. You think it's protein-packed, but it's basically dessert in disguise. Most of them are loaded with sugar, artificial flavoring, and zero fiber. That sugar hits your bloodstream, insulin spikes, and your body stores more fat. Swap it for plain Greek yogurt with real fruit or a drizzle of honey. You'll get the same taste, without the fat-storing sugar rush. And then, fruit juice. Don't let that 100% natural label fool you. The fiber's gone, the sugar stays. You're drinking pure calories with no breaks. One glass can pack as much sugar as a soda, and your brain doesn't even register it as food, so you stay hungry. Swap it for whole fruits or fruit-infused water. You'll get the nutrients, the fiber, and the satisfaction of eating, not drinking, your calories. Salad dressings. Sounds healthy, right? But most store-bought light or fat-free dressings are packed with seed oils, preservatives, and hidden sugars. That combo kills your metabolism and makes your body hold on to fat. Swap it for olive oil, lemon juice, or Greek yogurt-based dressings. You control the ingredients and your fat loss stays on track. But those aren't the only sneaky culprits. Let's talk about the real top 10 worst foods that silently destroy your fat loss goals. Number 1. Processed meats. Bacon, hot dogs, sausages, cold cuts. They're high in salt, fat, and preservatives that make you retain water and slow your metabolism. Studies even link them to heart disease and certain cancers. Swap it for grilled chicken, tuna, or tofu. You'll get clean protein without the harmful additives. Number 2. Sodas and sugary drinks. These are pure liquid calories, no nutrients, just sugar bombs. One can of soda a day can add thousands of extra calories a month, and your body doesn't even notice. Swap it for sparkling water with lemon or herbal teas. You'll still get the refreshment without the sugar crash. Number 3. White bread. It's soft, cheap, and everywhere, but it's made from refined flour stripped of fiber and nutrients. It spikes blood sugar, makes you tired, and triggers more cravings. Swap it for whole grain or sourdough bread. You'll get slower digesting carbs, more fiber, and longer-lasting energy. Number 4. French fries. Deep fried in unhealthy oils, loaded with salt, and impossible to stop eating. Fries are one of the fastest ways to pile on calories, and those oils inflame your gut and slow fat burning. Swap it for oven-baked potato wedges or air-fried sweet potatoes. Same crunch, way fewer calories. Number 5. Fast food burgers. Cheap, greasy, and addictive. Most fast food burgers come with refined buns, fried meat, and sugary sauces. The perfect storm for weight gain. Swap it for a homemade turkey or salmon burger. Add veggies, use whole grain buns, and you've got flavor and fuel. Number 6. Donuts. Let's be honest, they taste amazing. But they're fried in processed oils, packed with sugar, and made from white flour. That's a triple hit to your metabolism. You get an instant sugar rush, then a crash that makes you crave more. Swap it for baked protein muffins or oatmeal cookies made with banana or dates. Sweet, but smart. Number 7. Processed cheese. Those bright orange slices? Not real food. They're filled with sodium, artificial colors, and unhealthy fats that make you bloated and sluggish. Swap it for feta, goat cheese, or fresh mozzarella. You'll get calcium, protein, and taste, minus the fake stuff. Number 8. Potato chips. Crispy, salty, addictive, and empty. Chips are the definition of empty calories. No nutrients, just fat and carbs that keep you reaching for more. Swap it for roasted chickpeas or mixed nuts. You'll still get that satisfying crunch, with real nutrients that keep you full. Number 9. Processed snack foods, crackers, cookies, pretzels. Easy to grab, hard to stop. They're made to keep you munching, with the perfect mix of fat, salt, and sugar to hijack your brain. Swap it for fresh fruit, nuts, or veggies with hummus. Whole foods actually signal your brain when you're full. Number 10. Alcohol. A few drinks a week might not seem like much, but alcohol slows your metabolism and stops your body from burning fat. Every sip adds empty calories, and when you drink, your body prioritizes metabolizing alcohol instead of fat. Swap it for mocktails, sparkling water, or zero-proof beer. You'll still enjoy the vibe without stalling your progress. Here's the thing. You don't have to quit all these foods. The key is awareness and moderation. Most of these foods mess with your hunger hormones, spike your insulin, and make your body store fat instead of burning it. When you replace them with nutrient-packed foods, fruits, veggies, lean proteins, healthy fats, your body naturally resets. You stay full longer, crave less, and finally start burning fat efficiently. The real secret? Fat loss isn't just about calories, it's about quality. Every bite you take either fuels your progress or fights it. So next time you hit the store, look twice. Check the labels. Ask yourself, is this helping me burn fat or making me crave more? Because the truth is, your results aren't built in the gym. They're built in the kitchen. And once you clean up what's on your plate, that's when your fat loss finally begins. So tell me, which of these healthy foods surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real nutrition tips that actually work. No gimmicks, just results.